How much of your life has been spent trying to earn your wife's approval? You know what I'm talking about. Her smile, her affection, her thank you, her I'm proud of you. You say all the right things and you try to avoid conflict. You even anticipate her moods and you twist yourself into a version of the man that you think that she wants. But deep down, you're exhausted because no matter how hard you try, it never really feels like enough. And here's the part that really hurts the most. You've built your identity around her opinion of you. You're not leading yourself, you're surviving, and you're not connected to your strength. You're performing for a sense of worth that should have been yours all along. And the problem isn't her, it's the pattern. It's that most men feel lost in their relationships, and what they're really lost in is themselves. They're not broken, they're just buried under years of approval seeking and people pleasing. And I got to tell you, it's not your fault because you were never shown what self leadership looks like. You were never told that you don't have to earn your worth through sacrifice, compliance, or nice guy. You just learn to play small and to keep the peace and avoid being too much. And here's the truth: a man who chases validation can't be trusted to lead because he's constantly reacting, he's constantly adjusting, he's constantly wondering, am I okay? And no woman, no matter how loyal or loving, can feel safe with a man who's afraid of himself. Hi, I'm Charlie McKeever, your happy man coach, and here's the shift from performing to leading. It's a shift that took me years to realize that my constant need for validation wasn't about love, it was about fear. It was about the fear of rejection, the fear of being unloved. It was the fear that if I didn't keep my wife happy, I'd lose everything. But I wasn't unlovable, I was just disconnected from myself. And the moment that I stopped outsourcing my worth, when I stopped asking her, do you still want me? And started asking myself, do I respect who I'm being right now? That's when everything changed. I didn't need her approval, I needed my own. And when you trust your gut more than her gaze, you speak your truth without fearing her reaction. You love without collapsing. And that's when you stop chasing love and start standing in it. That's when you stop asking, am I enough? Because you already know. So if you're ready to stop performing and start leading from a calm, clear, self-respecting confidence, here's where to go. Go to happymancoaching.com and book a private Happy Man coaching call with me. And let's cut to the heart of what's really going on and get clear about what you really want for yourself in your marriage. After the call, I guarantee that you're going to feel more calm and confident and grounded, knowing that you don't need anyone else's approval to be the man that you were born to be. In addition to that call, I'll also introduce you to a community of men who are reclaiming themselves. Because remember, you're not alone. I'll also tell you how you can join our weekly group calls. And if you're ready to feel like a vibrant, alive, happy man again, book that call and I'll talk to you soon.